BearVPN is gaining attention as a solid VPN provider, but before you decide to buy, there are some important things you should know. While it competes with well-known names like ExpressVPN and NordVPN, there are some key features that make it stand out, and others that may make you think twice. First off, BearVPN offers a user-friendly interface. If you're new to VPNs, this could be a huge plus. Unlike some of the more complex VPNs on the market, BearVPN is simple to install and easy to navigate. But while this simplicity is great for beginners, more advanced users may feel limited by the lack of customization options available. Next thing to know is that BearVPN provides strong security features. It uses AES 256 encryption, which is the industry standard, meaning your data is protected. However, it's important to note that BearVPN doesn't offer as many advanced features as some of its competitors, like Double VPN or Onion over VPN. So if you need top-tier security, you may want to look elsewhere. The third thing to consider is BearVPN's server network. It has servers in over 30 countries, which is decent, but it's still behind heavyweights, like NordVPN, which offers servers in over 60 countries. If you need access to more global locations, you might want to keep this in mind. The fourth thing is that BearVPN's speed is quite good. Streaming and browsing are generally fast with BearVPN, especially when compared to some of the slower VPN options out there. However, it may not be as fast as top-tier competitors like ExpressVPN in certain locations, so it's worth testing the speeds for your specific needs. Next thing, BearVPN has a no-logs policy, which means they don't track or store your data. This is a critical feature for privacy-conscious users. But always remember that some VPNs claim no-logs policies and still face questions about data collection. It's a good idea to review their privacy policy in full to be sure. Moving on, the sixth thing is pricing. BearVPN is reasonably priced compared to many of its competitors. It doesn't break the bank like some high-end VPN services, but it also doesn't offer as many features for the price as some premium options, like NordVPN or CyberGhost, which might provide better value for those willing to pay a bit more. Next up, BearVPN offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, which is nice if you're unsure about the service. This is fairly standard, but it's important to test the service within that period to ensure it meets your needs. The eighth thing to keep in mind is customer support. While BearVPN does offer live chat support, it isn't as fast or as accessible as what you'd find with bigger VPN services. If you run into an issue, you may need to wait a little longer for help. Next, let's talk about streaming. BearVPN does work with some streaming services like Netflix, but it isn't guaranteed to unblock all libraries across all regions. If your main goal is to access global content, some competitors like ExpressVPN or Surfshark might provide better success with unblocking streaming platforms. The 10th thing to consider is BearVPN's compatibility. It works across multiple devices, including Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS, but it doesn't support as many platforms as some competitors, like routers or smart TVs. This could be an issue if you're looking to protect all of your devices. The 11th thing is its kill switch. BearVPN has a kill switch feature that ensures your internet connection is cut off if the VPN fails. This is a critical feature for protecting your privacy, especially if you're dealing with sensitive information. However, it's not always available on every device, so check before using it. And the 12th thing to know is that BearVPN doesn't offer the same level of transparency as other VPNs. While it's been audited for security, it lacks the in-depth third-party audits that some VPNs provide, which could be a concern for the most privacy-conscious users. So is BearVPN a good option? Yes. It offers solid performance, strong security, and good ease of use for a reasonable price. But if you're looking for a more feature-packed option with faster speeds, greater server coverage, and more advanced privacy tools, there are other VPN services that might serve you better. Check out our recommended solution that you can try for free to see if it fits your needs.